Hello grade 12s and welcome to the 10th segment of Technical Mathematics Junior Examination Paper 1 Practice. Please take that down. So number 10 states, consider f of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 15x squared minus 18x minus 56. And then it states, show that open bracket x plus 4 close bracket is a factor of f. So we need to calculate f of negative 4. F of negative 4 is equal to 4 times negative 4 cubed plus 15 times negative 4 squared minus 18 times negative 4 minus 56. Four times negative 4 to the power of 3 is negative 256. 15 times negative 4 plus 240 negative 18 times negative 4 plus 72 minus 56. Okay, so this is negative 256 plus 240 plus 72 minus 56. 0. Right. So therefore, x plus 4 is a factor of f shown. Okay, hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. 10.2 states, write down the coordinates of the x-intercepts, the x-intercept or x-intercepts of f. So for 10.2, f of x is equal to x plus 4 ax squared plus bx plus c. Right? And then don't forget, x-intercept y is 0. So there's f of x, we're going to put 0, but we first need to find the values of a, b, and c. X times ax cubed 4x cubed. So a is 4. 4 times c, 4c is negative 56. C is minus 14. Then what is b? Bx squared plus 4. Okay, we could have just said, okay, we said what? 4bx squared. Actually, it's actually bx squared. Plus 4ax squared. So meaning plus 16x squared. Is the x squareds we get 15 x squared. B is negative 1. So we are going to have x plus 4, 4x squared minus x minus 14 is equal to 0. Factors of 14, 2 times 7. Let me see, 2 times 7. Okay. X plus 4. Let's see. 14. What is it? 14 minus 4 times 1 is 10. And then 7 minus 4 times 2, negative 1. Aha! So we can say 4x and then x. Where do we put 7? We put it here. And then we put 2 here. Negative, where does it go? Negative goes here. Positive goes here. Okay. We're supposed to get x is negative 4, x is negative 7 over 4, and x is 2. Let's see. 4x cubed plus 15x squared minus 18x minus 56. Let's start at negative 6 and end at 8. Aha, when x is negative 4, y is 0. Now let's go to x is 2. There it is, also 0. Okay, I'm just gonna complete this here. Please forgive me. I always apologize for the lack of space. Please forgive me. So x plus 4 is equal to 0, or 4x plus 7 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is negative 4, or x is negative 7 over 4, or x is 2. So therefore the x-intercepts are negative 4, 0, and then negative 7 over 4, 0, and 2, 0. Okay, hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. Okay. (10.3) y-intercept x is 0, so f of 0, on the calculator, f of 0 is negative 56. Therefore, x is 0, y is negative 56. This is really maybe 1 mark or 2 marks, right? Get 1 mark here, 1 mark there. Okay, hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. 10.4 states, calculate the coordinates of the turning point or turning points of f. So f of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 15x squared minus 18x minus 56. Right? Then we're supposed to calculate f prime x. Bring down the exponent. 3 times 4 is 12. X 3 minus 1 plus 2 times 13 is 15 rather, sorry. This is 15. 2 times 15 is 30. X 2 minus 1 minus 1 times 18. X 1 minus 1. Then minus derivative of a constant is 0. Right? Then don't forget we're going to equate this to 0. Right? We have 12x squared plus 30x minus 18 is equal to 0. Common factor, you should notice that it's 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2x squared plus 30 divided by 6 is 5x minus 18 divided by 6 is 3. 3, let me see, 3 times 1, 2x, x. We're going to put 3 here, put 1 here, give the bigger number the sign of the middle term, plus, minus. 6x minus x, So 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to 1, or x is negative 3. X is half, or x is negative 3. Now we need to calculate f of negative 3 as well as f of half. So f of negative 3, 25, as you can see there. And then f of half, comp. Let's check negative 3. There we go. Then half, where there's x we put half. Negative 243 over 4. Which is negative 60.75. I'm doing this for plotting. Therefore, negative 3 and 25 and half and negative 243 over 4. Okay, I know that may have been a lot of steps, but please grin and bear with it. Hope that was clear, and I hope all of that made sense. 10.5 states, find the coordinates of the point of inflection of f. We have the first derivative, f prime x is 12x squared plus 30x minus 18. Point of inflection is the second derivative, f prime x. 2 times 12 is 24, x, 2 minus 1 plus 1 times 30, 30x, 1 minus 1, minus 0. We equate it to 0, so 0 is equal to 24x plus 30. 24x is equal to negative 30. X is negative 5 over 4. Then we calculate f of negative 5 over 4. Cubed plus 15 negative 5 over 4 minus 18 negative 5 over 4 minus 56 negative 143 over 8. Remember, the point of inflection is where the concavity of the graph changes. Okay, hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. .6 states, sketch the graph of f on the answer sheet provided. Clearly indicate your turning point or turning points and the intercept or intercepts with the axis. Okay, forgive me, I only have one hand. I meant I only have two hands. One is holding the camera right now, so please grin and bear with it. So please note that A is negative because it's 4. So the shape of the graph is going to be up, down, up. Okay. So the intercepts are negative 4, negative 7 over 4, which is negative 1.75 and 2. Please note that I've just demarcated on my sketch, right? Intercept is negative 56. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. Then I need to see the turning point, half end. Okay. Okay, yeah. Something like that. Okay. Negative 4, negative 7 over 4, 2. This is the origin, x axis, y axis, negative 4, negative 7 over 4, 2. Y-intercept, negative 56. Okay, turning points, negative 3 and 25. Let's put it here. As well as half and negative 243 over 4. Let's just put it here. Okay, it's actually supposed to be here. Yeah. So negative 3, 25, half, negative 243 over 4. This is the graph of F. Okay, if we were to estimate the point of inflection, negative 5 over 4 and negative 143 over 8, negative 5 over 4 somewhere here. Okay, so somewhere here. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 10.7 states hence, or otherwise, write down the value or values of x for which f of x is less than or equal to 0. So on the x-axis as well as below the x-axis, where is that? Here. So x is less than negative 4, less than or equal to negative 4, and x, and then to this side, x is greater than negative 7 over 4, and x is less than 2. To the left, it's below. So and x less than or equal to 2. So now these approach each other. So we're going to say the final answer is x is less than or equal to negative 4 and negative 7 over 4 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 10.7.2, write down the values of x for which f of x is decreasing. Remember we said the shape up, down, up. So the down component, x is greater than negative 3, x is less than half. Final answer, negative 3 less than x less than half. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. The reason why we don't include the turning points is that, remember, they are also called stationary points. That's because there the graph is stationary. It is neither decreasing nor increasing. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 10.8 states, give the equation of the tangent to f at x is equal to 3 in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So first we need to find the point of contact. We already have x is 3, right? So we need to calculate f of 3. Four times 3 cubed plus 15 times 3 squared minus 18 times 3 minus 56. $133. Okay, so the point of contact is x is 3, y is 133. Now we need to find the gradient. The gradient is the first derivative of the point of contact. So it's f prime of 3. Okay. First derivative is 12x squared plus 30x minus 18. So 12 times 3 squared minus 30 times 3 plus 18, I think. Or is it minus 18? It's actually plus 30x minus 18, my mistake. Okay, let's it's supposed to be 30 here. $180. So we have M and we have the point of contact, right? So let's just use this simple one. Y minus y1 is equal to the gradient open bracket x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 133. The gradient is 180. X minus x1 is 3. So y minus 133, negative times positive is negative, 180x, 180 times negative 3, negative 540. Y is equal to 180x minus 540 plus 133. Y is equal to 180x minus 407. Okay, even if you use y is equal to mx plus c, you'll still get here. Okay, hope that was clear and I hope that made sense. I hope that wasn't too challenging, but that's basically the questions that you may get on differential calculus and cubic functions in a nutshell. I'm just going to show you some of what I've prepared for integration. That's part 11. So please try to find the following integrals. So that's the integration of the cubic function, right? Where you have to find the shaded area. I haven't yet drawn the sketch, but please try to visualize it and try to find the overall shaded area if possible, which is between x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 0 together with x is 3 and x is 29/3. I hope that wasn't too challenging. If you found this video helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.